So I'm going to talk to you about the starter snap clip. This is a really clever clip. It's shaped like this, so you can see it there. It's got a unique profile to it. It fits into the edge of the board like so. So you can see it slides away along there. Now, how you put this clip onto the profile is that there's no screws required. You just simply hook it on, snap it down. Grab another one. You want to do this at every 400mm centers or 16 inches. So pop those on. And that's how your board slides into there, and now that will retain the board, it'll stop the board and hold it down. So you use this instead of screwing down through the board to fasten the board to that joist. Just to be clear, this would be a perimeter joist. It's not on every joist or a normal joist. It's only on the outside edge of the deck where you want to retain where you want to secure down the decking board. Now, you would use a second one of these if you were going to have another board here that you wanted to join. Do a butt join. So you put that there. You have your second board come in, and you can see now you have two clips there side by side. You do not need to screw these in, so you can actually see there is a hole there. If you did want to screw those into the channel, then you can, but there's no need to. So yeah, it's that simple.